So what is GEO? GEO stands for Generative Engine Optimization, as you can see here. All right, just Generative Engine Optimization. This is the process of optimizing your website, your brand, your content to be visible in the AI search engines. Okay, so what are examples of AI search engines? We have ChatGPT. This is an example. Another example is what we call the Google AI mode. AI mode. This one. One of the things that you need to consider when marketing your brand, because more and more people are actually using these tools. Now I'll show you, this is actually a marketing, one of the marketing channels that we want to be part of if you are marketing, if you are in the digital marketing space. We have a website. This is our brand, PinoySEO.ph. As you can see here, PinoySEO.ph. This is a website that contains training about SEO. You can see here, this is an award-winning site, and it has free and paid training. All right, so I've been doing this training since 2022. I already have 15 years of experience in the SEO industry. Now, for GEO to work, you need to implement basic SEO for your website. All right, that should be part of your GEO campaigns. Now, I'll just show you examples of GEO. So, for example, if you want to go here, right, we are doing incognito so that our searches are not influenced by our search history. So, for example, I put in here, this is basic SEO right now. If I put in free SEO training Philippines, okay, that is my keyword. You can see here, one of the results, actually the first result is our website. That's PinoySEO.ph. All right. Now, if you scroll down, you can see what we call AI overview. This is part of the GEO engines. All right. This is part of the GEO strategies. And as you can see here, our brand, Pinoy SEO, has been mentioned. Okay. Along with many other brands here. So basically, Google has picked up our site as one of the resource website for free SEO training in the Philippines. This is, again, AI overview is part of our GEO now. Now, how about if we go to AI mode? Let me try to ask something. Give me free SEO training in the Philippines. All right. So when you type that in, Google scours the whole internet, the billions of websites out there, and then you can see here, SEO training in the Philippines. Here, free online courses. So we have here the first result, Pinoy SEO. As you can see here, these are the source website that Google is getting information from. So Pinoy SEO here, you can see everything. Okay. And if we go to ChatGPT, we do the same prompt. Free SEO. Give me free SEO training in the Philippines. And then Google scours the whole internet. And then you can see here, our brand has been mentioned. PinoySEO.ph. Okay? So these are some examples. You can see here, even our YouTube channel also has been featured. Pinoy SEO channel that contains Bisaya, Tagalog, English. Okay? And then you can see here, the second result, this is our Pinoy SEO brand. So pretty much this is the next level of our marketing. We want our brand to be mentioned everywhere in the AI search engines. Okay? So for you to be able to do that, you need to have proper SEO first, basic SEO for your brands to show here. Okay, so there are a lot of strategies that we need to do to appear in the GEO or to properly do GEO. I'm offering consultation and coaching for businesses if you want your brands to appear in tools like chatgpt.com. Again, this is the next level marketing in the modern age.